Hello. Today, we'll walk you through the 6 essential stages of business analysis. Let's dive in. Stage 1. Analyze the current state to identify problems or opportunities and determine what's needed to reach the desired future state. Stage 2. Identify all stakeholders, analyze their interests, and collaborate with them to ensure everyone is aligned towards the solution. Stage 3. Plan and conduct sessions to gather requirements through interviews, calls, and workshops. Confirm the elicited information to ensure accuracy. Stage 4. Requirement analysis. Examine and break down the requirements, analyze each component, and refine them to ensure clarity and feasibility. Stage 5. Record, track, and trace changes in the product information backlog throughout the business analysis cycle to maintain alignment. Stage 6. Validate the developed solution to ensure it meets the agreed requirements and assess how well it addresses the business needs and delivers value. Mastering these stages is key to successful business analysis. Don't miss out our future tips and tricks. Subscribe to Datix AI now.